me say fuck them system. See them stylish hype on this skim. Me see you get away fast, yeah you slick slim. No career just a blast, so big win.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and it's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, another man of peace. I'm set at the violence of the streets, living love, unity, and strength. You see me, life for the greatest. Give cherish each and every moment. You see me? Yeah, me there upon the work here. Just get a quick break. Everyone coming out of the office there. You see me? You can see I think I circulate gone viral with Jah Bouks. I must say him get style by Mad Sus. Seeing Nuffy run back at Jah Bouks. I know Nuffy give Jah Bouks the mic up the talkaphone. Big up Nuffy, MC Nuffy. Yes, my lion and my lioness. Big up on yourself. Please like and share the content, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I say, you know, support is all I appreciate loved. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah. See, so we're going to run a look a quick reasoning and give my take on it. And I'm not biggie about it, you know, but you know, people must say, boy, you see it, that's why I must say, because the system. You see me?
Show me say fuck them system. See them stylish hype on this skim.
But Jah Bouks feel like a styling thing. You know what I mean? Hence why I say Nuffy run behind him. Nuffy knows say Jah Bouks a big artist. Loved in Africa, Ghana, them place them. But they are Benin. And yeah, Jah Bouks a beat out. Zin? With the Gambia, same thing. So I say with the Morocco, same thing. See, so Jah Bouks, big song Angola. You see me? You know, if you find a one hit song, I hear that. You see me? I say you're known internationally, and them song the Angola. Big up the whole Angola. You know, we're so far with the Angola. Kenya, we are forward. I know we love Africa. See? Me love Africa. I always visit Africa continent. You see me? Yes, man. So, I'm going to see what I go on. If you don't see it yet, watch it and let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. See? Yeah, man. Watch what I go on.
Nothing. Watch your old Jah Bouks. Watch your style. No, you don't move Jah Bouks. Just met my artist. Little artist, Sean Stam and little advice Africa DJ. Met my artist, see the legend. I am signed to my label. Matsus.
Yo, DMX.
Flying already.
DMX already? What is DMX?
Yeah.
Big up to yourself in Mecca.
Yes, my people. So, boy, I would have feel away still, like Jah Bouks. You know, I would have feel away. But as I'm saying, nothing big for blow out of proportion. Matsus could have met Jah Bouks, sing him one song. Because no doubt, you know, so I hit him over sing Angola. Everybody know that song there. And that song they gave him the big forward. You see me?
Call Angola.
Yes, man, so. Boom bam. Big up, look at the local vibes cartel. They might do them thing at Mecca. You see me? And look at live performance are going. Boom, MC Nuffy. As you could see, gave Jah Bouks to my cousin. Jah Bouks! I know another long thing, but yeah. For you hear Nuffy say that, you know what Nuffy mean. You have to know the code. So I say, nobody long it out. Don't do no long thing. Nuffy hand him the talkaphone. Boom, Mad Sus intervene now. Yo, Jah Bouks, don't move it, don't go to bed now. I don't know if the show I got done, if the party I got done, or them I go back to music and Mad Sus, one film artist where him say him sign. Big up the artist too. See me? Never heard of the artist. But it's like go upcoming artist, Mad Sus want to get him out there. At the link. See, I don't know if the party was gonna finish or them say one more and then music again. I don't know. See? But my take on it, Mad Sus could have let Jah Bouks sing him one song. And then it go back into the Gaza frame. Because I remember, you know, Mad Sauce big in the thing, big in the link. You say, Addy, I'm daddy. You see me? So, film artists when sign, them could have waited till the end and do the have them vibe. I get to me say, Jah Bouks is a stranger and I think. Zine outside of the Gaza camp. Zine and ended up I get an opportunity to do a one tune for represent for the Gaza. And look at the local vibes. Zine. And here comes Mad Sauce intervene. Zine. So you could have seen Jah Bouks feel away. Big artists on stage get, you know, a little shaded. And him walk away. And I see MC Nuffy walk behind him. Because MC Nuffy knows I fuck with. You see me I say, Mad Sauce could have wait. Make Jah Bouks sing in one song. When you tell me if I'm wrong, I'm lying. So if you see it another way. You see me I say, Jah Bouks could have also wait, you know, till the young artist do him tune. And then, you know. But then again, it could have ended up at that time run out and didn't get to do no tune. But me I say, Mad Sauce could have wait. Make Jah Bouks do him song. And then film artists who him sign come and deliver and perform, and the rest of Gaza artists them can gang up the thing and do them thing. You see me? Hey, turn on! You see me? Yeah, man, sorry about that. No, the kids will make them nice. You know, Christmas, you know, Christmas and then Christmas Eve. Because everybody will celebrate Christmas, I enjoy it, you know what I mean? I look forward to it. So I work with them, you see me? Yeah, man. But let me know what y'all think still in the comment section below, you see me? Yes, man, I think, I know Jah Bouks feel away. And see, they know it going viral, everybody are talk about it. You see me, I say? Everyone is talking about it. Jaja. But you know, so everybody do their thing a little bit different. Yeah, man, everybody do them thing different and everybody think different. So I say, Mad Sauce good all and I'm juice. And I say, yo, no artist before my artist on my sign. You see me? Yeah, so. Look, being in Jah Bouks situation, if it was me, maybe I would have feel away too. Worse, if me I wait a good while to get a one tune, you know? For bust a one tune on stage and then a man come intervene and say, no, give me artist, my artist DJ. Don't move in a Jah Bouks. Jah Bouks are big artists for I don't want to say it in a disrespectful way. But Jah Bouks are big artists for Mad Sauce artists. Where him sign. See? You know from Jah Bouks say, Angola, at a fire red pan Babylon. Place a burn down. No question, no ask, no joke. You see me? Yeah. But you know, I say it go. As me say, Jah Bouks, big up yourself. Mad Sauce. Sometimes you have to think, you know? Just think before you act more time. You see me? And I love enough mixed comments to see people that say, yo, you see it? And that's why Massacre said, F the system, you know?
Show me say fuck them system. See them stylists hype on this scheme.
Some people that say, Alkaline do the same thing to with Tony Mataran. Take a mic from him. Because he play Cartel. But that is a different situation. Cartel and Alkaline have the musical feud. Alkaline want you know Cartel in their place, in their event. Likewise, Vibes Cartel, you see me? We don't ever want your Alkaline in their event, so that's different. Jah Bouks is just an innocent brother today. I try to, you know, bust a one tune. And it's not like he's a young artist. Jah Bouks are big artist known all over Africa everywhere. That's what I say, you see me? But that's how it go. I go back to my work here now. Please like and share the content, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we're the man of peace. I will set the violence off the streets, live in love, unity and strength. Merry Christmas to one and all. And our festive season, Christmas season, you know, to you and your loved ones. Drink responsibly and drive safely. If you feel like you have too much to drink, don't go around the steering wheel. See? Big up on yourself. Peace. I'm the man of peace. I'm out. Not another word of time. I'm out.
Me burn the fire from Babylon. Not take no chat from Babylon.